Hey y'all, so I'm at Walmart, coming to come get all this stuff that we need, because we plan on staying in, quarantining ourselves. Quarantine. I think I said that right. But anyway, we're going to be stuck in the house for about a week plus, we don't know. So, we got to stock up on some stuff. I got my mask here, got to keep myself safe, other people safe, you never know. I'm about to get some gloves, some tissue, noodles, non-perishable stuff, because we don't know how long we're going to be in the house. So I catch y'all on the inside. Y'all, so I don't know what this is down here. I'm in the medicine aisle. It's cleared out. Take a look. I think all the little medicine is gone. Like straight cleared out. I gotta get some medicine for the babies. Is this supposed to be the tissue?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Tissue is down there. It's all.
Look at this. Ridiculous.
Oh my God.
So far, there's no tissue, no hand sanitizer, no cleaning products, no laundry detergent, no milk. Even the cheese is gone. Everything is gone. You guys are out of luck. Try Sam's Club if you got a membership, Costco, something like that, because you're not getting nothing from Walmart. It's over. The bread aisle is bare, not a bread in sight. All they have is cookies and cakes. The complete aisle of bread is gone. You will not find a loaf of bread in sight. But if you want some tacos, you can make some tacos. They still got taco bread left.
Cause it's Taco Tuesday.
Team take profits on the move. The movement is real. 50 pips a day. Watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
Of coronavirus cases in the U.S. increasing
for the possibility
day by
that this
day.
pandemic
So
could flare for 18 months
The number of
or
cases here at
longer.
home across the U.S. topping 16,000.
Cases now skyrocketing
staggering
here
as
in
the
New York
virus
City.
rages.
Younger adults can also get
Lots
extremely
of people
sick.
are on the brink of panic. We heard earlier today.
More deadly than the flu.
This is a pandemic.
We're in this for a while. This is a snow day. It's
right to be worried about what's to come.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits, and welcome to Take Profit Tuesday. And man, I don't know where to even start. Like, I got so many questions, like, why does this always come from China? Like, what about my family that's laid off from the factory? Was this even planned by the government? Like, serious questions that a lot of us have around the world. But all I can say is I thank God that I worked hard and put myself into position 4 years ago to where now I don't have to depend on the government, or I don't have to depend on a job to pay my bills. Like, I have multiple streams of income. I can work from home. It's kind of like not impacting me as much as it is other people, but we all feel it regardless. But I thank God I was able to grind in an area, in a career that's recession proof. So a quick news update is I just got word that the central banks have flooded the market with trillions of dollars so that they can keep the market from freezing. Now I'm gonna show you what's freezing in the market. I'm gonna show you that. But I'm talking about trillions of dollars they have just poured into the market to keep it from freezing. I think it's very vital, very important that the market stays open. I'm talking about stock market, Forex market, whatever, right? It's very important that that market stay open so it can really keep the economy floating, because we're investors. We're making a lot of money. It's a lot of investors making hundreds, millions of dollars. That's going to keep the market flowing, the economy, right? So it's very, very important that the market stay open, in my opinion. So it's been a while since I recorded a video. I mean, a lot is going on. We're opening up a new office space downtown Detroit, and I'm excited about that. I did not want the coronavirus or anything like that to stop the flow of what I have going on, because truth be told, this is going to go away. Life is going to go back to normal, and it is very important that we position ourselves for the summertime and to the rest of the year to be successful. So I'm still out here grinding. I'm just picking and choosing my times when I get out there, and I'm safe. I'm out there as safe as possible. But we're still trading. You know, the market is going up and down, make a dollar, lose a dollar. So I'm talking about in big candles. I'm talking about 50 pip candles up, 50 pip candles down. So we're just waiting very, very patiently for our trades for our entries, and we're out of them. You know, we're out of them. 20, 25 pips, we're out. A lot of times even 15, we're out of these trades. And so during these times is where mentorship is very important. You know, this is not really a plug for anybody to join a mentorship, but I'm just saying, regardless of what team you're on, like, mentorship is very, very important especially during these times. You know, the COVID-19 pandemic, like, it's very important. I can't stress it enough. You don't want to be on your own, clueless on what's going on, not being guided during times like these. All right, so the first trade since this COVID-19 situation has happened is gold. So I'm on a 15-minute chart, and it's basically lining up with exactly what I taught on the 50 simple moving average strategy. Okay, check that video out, guys. So basically, I mean, this is a big downtrend, big old downtrend, right? And then price pulled back. All right, I'm looking at this situation like a temporary pullback in the grand scheme of things, and then this thing is about to drop. All right, so I just waited for it to conform to the strategy, and it basically closed below the 50, retested on the 50. All right, and boom, dropped. When it retested on the 50, easy, all lit up red. All right, big old downtrend, price pulled up, that's fine. Either catch the buy on that, okay, but the grand scheme of things was a sell, even on the higher time frames. So price just went on, came back, broke below the 50. The Martin meter is all lit up red. So I took the sell right here. Now stop loss is going to be stop loss was going to be somewhere in here. Boom, right there. So stop loss is going to be above this structure, above the 50. If it closed back above the 50, I'm out, right? I'm out. So this is perfect. I took profit right as it made that doji. I took profit right down here. And you can see everything live. You know, even the group chat, you can see everything live on the screenshot that I provided. But I'm just walking you through it. So kind of like if I replayed it, it happened like this. Stop loss, boom, risk to reward is pretty good. And I took the sell there. Now, you know, I'm holding it. I'm looking at the USD really, really strong on a heat wave. So I'm holding it. And then right around here, I took profit. That's more than my goal. All right, more than my goal. But that's what is it? 153 pips. So easy. And now the market is giving out more pips. Like, it's really volatile right now. So it's more pips. What used to be only 50 pips is sitting around 80 to 100 pips. You know, so real easy, real quick. So then the market is changing, and we just need to be very, very careful, more patient, more disciplined, okay? But this was the gold setup. And then, you know, I took profit on that, and then it just wicked out, and boom, I was like, I'm out of there. Went back to bed. But this was the first trade during this whole pandemic of the COVID-19. All right, so just like how we saw gold, it was a big downtrend, and then, you know, it pushed up, it broke through the 50 moving average. You saw that big green push up, and then I used that as like a flag pattern, and I caught the sell again. Well, this is like the opposite. So it was a big downtrend, and I actually took it right when it broke or closed above the 50 moving average. As you can see, it's lit up green. So that was my entry for this one. Now, I saw it kind of like stalling out down here. You see wicks, you know, you see these wicks. I see it stalling out. So I'm like, it's making higher highs, you know, or it's making higher lows, and it's just sandwiching in. And then it finally closed above the 50 moving average. And I'm like, I'm taking this. All right. And sure enough, as it's breaking the 50 moving average, the Martin meter is just an extra, you know, confirmation that I'm on the right side of the market, because that's what we want to do. And it's all green. So I'm taking the buy it, you know what I mean? And for those who need to know about the stop loss for this, you just put the stop loss down here, you know, easy, risk to reward. All right, so stop loss somewhere down here. Yeah, I like that right there. And then we ride it on up. Now, I wanted to hold it a little bit longer, but, you know, I was too tired. You got the babies and everything. I was just having to feed them and, you know, do all of that stuff. So I was just tired, and I just closed the trade with my goal. And I was pretty happy with that. And so if we wanted to rewind this and see how it played out, it just looked like something like this. You know, you could see it kind of like sitting around on that 50 moving average. Let me zoom in for you. It's just kind of sitting around that 50 moving average, showing, you know, rejection. Boom. And, you know, you just take it. You just got to, you know, pull the trigger. And that's what happened. And so this was a really, really good trade during the, you know, this is like my second one during the COVID-19. All right, during the coronavirus scare. This is my second trade since then. And for those who was talking down on the strategy, talking about it doesn't work, like, I'm literally showing you, I'm taking the trade live. You can see it right here on the screenshot on the left side of the screen. Okay, you can see how it's pushing from the 50 moving average. It's powerful. It's powerful. I back tested it for years. 4 years I've back tested this. Okay, and it's still proven to work. Now you guys just have to back test for yourselves so you can gain confidence with the strategy. But if you want to know the rules and how I use it exactly, just watch the 50 moving average strategy video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because I'm giving value all the time. Every video drop is value. I got the beginner in mind, the intermediate and advanced person. So we're going to cover everything that we need to cover to make sure that you're being a professional in the Forex market, making sure that you're getting strategies and good value to make profits in the Forex market. Because my mission is to help you become a profitable trader so you can get your time freedom back and start empowering people that's around you. That's my ultimate goal. So definitely like this video, share it, definitely subscribe, because more content is coming. We looking good. It's just not the best situation. We just need to be really, really patient. All right. And making great decisions. Don't trade pairs with big spreads. You know, just stick to your trading hours. All right. Don't be trading all times of the day. Like, don't do any of that stuff. You feel me? But it's a reason why, like, you see stocks at the banks while you're waiting to get your money. You can read what the stock reports are doing. It's a reason why you got all of these things accessible, but they hide Forex. You can't go to the bank and look at the little teleprompter or the little screen, little TV screen, and see what GBP JPY is doing. You know, see what, you know what I mean? Like, see what GBP AUD is doing, EUR USD. They don't show this stuff. And so I just want to encourage you guys, like, this is it. Like, we can really make a good living doing this. And this is the real deal. The Forex market is making people wealthy, people that are disciplined. It's the exchange of money from the impatient to the patient. That's what Forex is to me. All right. And so, you know, I'm going to lace you up. If they don't want to let you know what it is, I'm Jay Wayne. I'm your Forex plug. I'm going to lace you up all the way right. All right, guys. So I showed you on the chart how solid that 50 moving average is. Now, if you really want to master that strategy, then click the video right over there. Click the video. It's the 50 simple moving average strategy. I'm talking about easy money, as long as you follow the steps completely. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.